Welcome to our channel. Are you curious about the incredible health benefits of fasting? In this video, we'll dive deep into the science behind fasting and explore its profound impacts on physical and mental well-being. From improved insulin sensitivity to enhanced cognitive function, fasting offers a myriad of advantages that can transform your health. Join us on this enlightening journey as we uncover the secrets of fasting and its potential to revolutionize your life. Let's get started. What is one benefit of fasting for physical health? How does fasting affect insulin sensitivity? What role does fasting play in detoxification? What is one psychological benefit of fasting? How does fasting impact digestive health? What effect does fasting have on cellular repair processes? What is one benefit of fasting for cardiovascular health? How does fasting contribute to mental clarity? What effect does fasting have on inflammation levels? What is one benefit of fasting for skin health? How does fasting influence hormone regulation? What is one benefit of fasting for immune function? How does fasting affect energy levels? What role does fasting play in promoting longevity? What is one benefit of fasting for insulin regulation? How does fasting influence brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, levels? What effect does fasting have on metabolic rate? What is one benefit of fasting for cellular repair? How does fasting impact blood sugar levels? What role does fasting play in improving insulin sensitivity? What is one benefit of fasting for cognitive function? How does fasting influence autophagy? What effect does fasting have on cholesterol levels? What is one benefit of fasting for digestive health? How does fasting affect energy metabolism? What role does fasting play in reducing oxidative stress? What effect does fasting have on blood pressure? What is one benefit of fasting for mental resilience? How does fasting influence the production of growth hormone? What effect does fasting have on hunger hormones like ghrelin? What role does fasting play in promoting cellular regeneration? What is one benefit of fasting for reducing inflammation? How does fasting affect the gut microbiome? What effect does fasting have on the risk of chronic diseases? What is one benefit of fasting for mitochondrial health? How does fasting influence the expression of longevity genes? What role does fasting play in promoting autophagy? What effect does fasting have on cognitive decline? What is one benefit of fasting for immune function? How does fasting influence the gut-brain axis? What effect does fasting have on brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) levels? What role does fasting play in promoting weight loss? What is one benefit of fasting for cellular detoxification? How does fasting impact the secretion of stress hormones like cortisol? What effect does fasting have on gut permeability? What is one benefit of fasting for cardiovascular health? How does fasting influence the regulation of blood sugar levels? What role does fasting play in promoting mental clarity? What effect does fasting have on the risk of neurodegenerative diseases? What is one benefit of fasting for metabolic health?